Welcome! In this video, we will cover how a user would remove a visit off of a cruise schedule either by canceling or moving back to visits to do for scheduling at a later date. Knowing how to cancel or send a visit back to visits to do will help ensure you are able to fully manage your cruise calendars as needed. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the schedule page either via the main menu or via the quick access panel. Use the calendar and crew options to locate the visit that needs to be removed off the schedule. Either click the X or double click the visit and then scroll to the bottom of the schedule window on the bottom right and click Cancel Visit. Once either of these options are selected, a window will pop up where you can either cancel the visit altogether by leaving the toggle option off or toggle on to move the visit to visits to do for scheduling at a later date. Click Done to save changes. Ready to give it a go? If you are responsible for scheduling and managing visits, it is extremely important to know how to edit these visits using the cancel or move to visits to do features in order to ensure proper management of all cruise schedules.